Okay, fam. I know I said I wasn't gonna keep on Sunday no more, that first day of the sale. But I'm gonna give Walgreens another try. So they got some good deals going on, especially with the register rewards and the rebates. So we're gonna see what we can find. Okay, fam, we in Walgreens. What I got here is the focus buy two, get a $5 register reward on the Dove shampoo and conditioner, which I got 2 of them in here. I got a $4 or $2 off one digital coupon for this one, or $2 off one digital coupon for that one, which is gonna make it $4 out of pocket. But I'm gonna roll my $4 in WAG cash that I have, which I'm gonna pay 80 cents out of pocket for these. I'm gonna get back that $5 register reward. It means that these is gonna be free plus a money maker. So I'm gonna show you my next deal. I'm gonna do $4. I'm gonna buy 4 of these for $4. I got a 6 off of 4 digital coupon, and my total is gonna be $16. They also have, when you spend 15 on P&G products, you'll get a $5 register reward back also. So I'm gonna buy 4 of these, which is gonna be $16. I got a 6 off 4 digital coupon. I'm gonna roll my register rewards that I used last week onto this. I'm gonna get back that $6 register reward plus a $5 register reward, the P&G register reward, which gonna make this free plus a money maker. Now, as you can see, I got my 4 in here. That's gonna be my second transaction. Let me see what else. They got all the clearance. They done wiped out all the clearance. And they have clearance like this. It attaches to them digitals, which make it free plus a money maker. That's a good deal right there. I see they got Colgate. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward, but they only got 1 digital on here, and that's just a $2 off one. So I'm not gonna do that deal because it ain't gonna make no sense. Let's see. Okay, let's go around here to my next transaction. Oh, you can get toothbrushes too for that deal. The $3 register reward buy 2, but they ain't got no digitals for that. And then they got this deal also on the toothbrushes. Spend 10, get a $5 register reward. That ain't no good deal right there, fam. Okay, they got the Dove back on sale. Well, it's still on sale. It's good to the 24th. Buy 2, get a $2 register reward. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. I got it in here. That's gonna be my third transaction. I got $1 off one on these Scots. This gonna be my last transaction. They had the nice water on sale, 2 for $7, and I was gonna roll my register rewards to get it for completely free, but I'm gonna have to make up another deal now because everybody done used the nice water. They done bought it all out, man. I mean, it ain't none. Y'all see that? The shelves is empty. So I'm gonna have to come up with me another one. Okay, fam. I know I said I wasn't gonna keep on Sunday no more. And of course, it was a hiccup. It was a hiccup. The lady, I had to go back and forth with the lady about my register reward, and that I didn't see it. She didn't give it to me. Come to find out, she gonna tell me that no, it goes on your account. Can you pull it up on your phone? No, register rewards don't go on your account, ma'am. So I had to stand there and go back and forth with her a good 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes to finally, I look in the bag, we searching in the bag. She didn't put it in the bag and didn't even hand it to me. Then they gonna have the nerve gonna say, the manager gonna ask me, what you recording? I said, I'm not recording anything, because by then I had already stopped my recording. And the lady was like, well, oh, you recording? Oh, well, at least let me have to fix my hair. Ma'am, I'm not recording, y'all. People is so picky about being on camera. This is what kills me. But you already on camera everywhere you go. That's my thing of you already on camera everywhere you go. I mean, it just, next Sunday, I promised myself I'm not going to keep on at Walgreens. Because now my $5 register, P&G register reward did not print out, and I spent, well, I'll tell y'all the deal when I put everything get to the house and put everything. Okay, fam, I done made it home. So these are the items that I got. And I'm going to show you the receipt. My first transaction was the 2 Dove shampoo and conditioner. You buy 2, you get 5. They $4. Was they $4 a piece? Yes, $4 a piece, which made them $8. I had a $2 off one digital coupon that brought it down to $6 out of pocket. But I rolled my $4 in WAG cash from last week that I earned, and that brought my total down to $2.80. I got back my $5 register reward for doing this deal. So let's look at the receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. That's my digital. And I paid $2.80 out of pocket, which means that this was $2.20 money maker on this, which made it free. So let me see. We're going to see what I got in my next transaction. Okay, the $5 register reward that I got from that transaction, I rolled it over to this. What this one is, you buy 4, you get a $6 register reward. Plus, when you spend 15, the P&G deal would attach to it also. When you spend 15, you get a $5 register reward. My register reward, that $5 P&G did not print. So I called Walgreens, they added the $5 to my account, so I still got it. So each one of these was $4 a piece. So let's look at the receipt. Y'all see my receipt? That dollar, the dollar and the $1.50 is the register reward that I had from last week that I added. The $5 register reward that came from that deal. And then I had the digital 6 off 4, which brought it down to $2.50 subtotal. With tax, $4.10. I paid the $4.10 out of pocket. I got back my $6 register reward for that. Plus, I had to call Walgreens to get back my $5 register reward, but I got it back, which made this a money maker, fam. Money maker. So let's see what I did to my next transaction. Okay, this is my next transaction. I bought the 2 Dove body wash. $7 a piece. Walgreens got where you buy 2, you get a $2 register reward. That's $7 a piece, which brought them up to $14. I had a $2 off digital for 1, and I rolled that $6 register reward from there onto here to lower my out of pocket. So let's look at my receipt. Y'all see it? The 6 register reward, the $2 digital, brought it to $6. I rolled $2 in WAG cash, which made my out of pocket $5.40. But on Shopping, it's a rebate app, they give you $2 back for 1. So I got that $2 back, which actually made it $3.40 out of pocket. So that ain't bad for Dove body wash. That's a really good deal. So this is my deal from Walgreens this week. Pretty good, except for my register reward, but I still end up getting a $5 cash added to my account. So give me the thumbs up, fam. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. And let me know if y'all want me to constantly continue to do the couponing. Comment down below. Until the next video, fam, y'all have a blessed and wonderful evening. Bye-bye.